Hello everyone, today we'll be cleaning up your Android phone's storage. Of course, we won't delete any important data stored on your smartphone. This includes your important photos, videos, and audio files. We won't be touching any apps to avoid crashes. We'll also cover some very important settings that need to be made during the initial setup of your messaging apps. Let's say today we'll be configuring WhatsApp during its initial setup. With normal use, it accumulates a lot of junk. These junk files continue to grow on your phone. Indeed, after a few months of use, you notice that your phone's available storage has decreased by approximately 20-30 to 40 gigabytes, depending on the user, and you wonder, where did all this storage go? First, check your messaging apps that are taking up your storage. Find WhatsApp and go to its settings by tapping the three dots at the top. Scroll down a bit to find an important option that's usually enabled, but check if it's set to off. What does that mean? This means that when you send a message to another user, they receive your location data based on the photos, texts, or videos you send. In my opinion, this should be disabled for everyone, because no one wants others to know where they are at any given time. Moving on, let's look at data and storage usage. First, check the type of internet you're using. If you have a limited mobile data plan, I recommend enabling data savings. Next, an important setting that causes all the unnecessary content to accumulate and take up your phone's storage is automatic media download. This means all incoming chats, groups, and messages are automatically downloaded to your smartphone. Even if you don't read them, they're saved in a hidden folder created by WhatsApp. Again, if you have unlimited mobile data, you can enable everything. If not, at least choose to download only photos. If you're using Wi-Fi, which is usually unlimited, you can enable everything and press OK. Roaming will incur additional charges, so you can opt out of them. Next, go to Storage Management. Here you'll find all the chats that contain junk. You need to go through these chats and see if there are any videos on your phone that you don't need. If you don't need them at all, you can simply select and delete them. I must say this method is good, but there's an even better one. Look, I'll show you now. You need to use a program. You can download Start Activity from my Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description. If you already have this program, which gives you advanced access to your phone's settings, great. It downloads all the apps on your phone. The program simply provides advanced access to your phone's settings. By the way, I have a lot of videos about this program on my channel. You can browse and watch them. You can find very useful information. Now that all the apps are downloaded, click the search icon at the top. Type Clean or Clean WhatsApp, and you'll find this menu. When you enter here, you'll immediately see a very convenient window where you can see all your documents, files, images, and voice messages. And if there are any videos, you can quickly review them and delete anything you don't need. This method takes about 10 times less time than the standard method I just showed you. Don't rush to switch over just yet, because I'm about to show you a very important step: how to create a shortcut on your desktop. Click the three dots here and select the edit icon at the bottom. You can change the icon to whatever you want. Let's choose the WhatsApp icon. Create the shortcut and return to your desktop. You'll see an icon for cleaning WhatsApp. Click it, and you'll immediately access this menu. It's very convenient, cool, and practical. Next, you can click the gear icon here and select the amount of junk you want the program to notify you about when it reaches a certain threshold.